Okay, so moving on, we have our page header in place, and now let's turn our attention toward the group header. And looking at our report sections document, once again we have the group header is in blue. This is fairly simple. We have the label that says product type, and then the text box or the field which is pulling data from the underlying query. Okay, so really I have those two in my group footer, or I'm sorry, group header. And the only thing I need to do is rearrange them so we have the product type to the left of the actual field. So I just can go ahead and drag and drop those with my mouse. Once again, if you find them awkward and they're stuck together, you can always go to your Arrange tab and remove Layout if necessary, and that'll free up those controls. So that should be okay. Maybe I'll stretch this out a little bit. And then, so that's it for the group header. That was easy. And now let's look at the details section. Here we have the company name, the product type, the price, and the unit. Okay. And then the details section here, I'll show you the design here. We have everything we need, really, when it comes down to it. Even though for this particular company, we have repeated entries, but that's the nature of the detail section. You're not going to have a stack of 3 controls on top of one another in the actual report design. You just put the fields there, and then if there are multiples, they'll be added to the report. So your detail section is probably always going to look like this, with not much in it, just very short, and just some a row of text boxes that are linked to underlying fields in the database. So all we really have to do here is maybe align the fields with the column headers. Maybe get myself some space here with the company name. Okay, and maybe move these over. And then one more thing with regards to this, we're being told here, I'm going to go ahead and run this. At any point, if you want, you can just run it in report view and see what the user's going to see, what it's going to look like. Okay, I think maybe I'll go into layout view and get rid of some of these gray bars, and also a lot of these lines. That doesn't look good, but that's not really a big deal. What I'm concerned about is we don't see this repetition of the company name, okay? And notice how the company name appears once and then it's not repeated. That's a fairly easy fix. So if I go back to Design View and I select this guy, right-click the company name, the field, I'm in the Detail View. Always in Detail View when you're doing this technique, it's the Hide Duplicates technique. So I'm going to right click this guy and open up the properties, okay, and then under the Format tab, or you can do the All tab as well, you need to find this property, Hide Duplicates. Okay, if it's in the Format tab, you can go to the bottom, and it's maybe kind of close to the bottom. Alright, and then we'll say yes, and I run it again. And there you go. Now we're starting to look like the picture of the report. Okay, we're still not there 100%. Why not? While I'm here, I'm going to fix this whole thing with the these lines and also the bars. I'll do that in layout view. So let's see. I think I'll go ahead and select that guy and. Not that guy, and then border style, we will do transparent. Okay, that'll take care of those. Same thing with this, border style, transparent. Okay, and then hit, maybe can I do them all at once in one shot? I don't think so. Okay, so I'll take care of this column, border style, transparent. This one, same thing, transparent, and this one, same thing. Okay, And also, now we saw this, the gray thing with the gray bars. Remember in a few videos ago we did this with the existing report. I clicked out on the right here, I'm in layout view, to select all of the rows. Okay, and then I went to the format tab, no, not format, what was it? Oh, there, yeah, it was format. And then no color. Okay, so now we're even closer. Ooh, what the heck is that? No color. Okay, getting rid of all the gray colors. Alright, so here I'm in report view. Once again, I'm getting closer. We do have to add a group footer and get a tally of the number of products, and also we'll be getting a grand total at the very end of the report for all the products in the entire query. So, but like I said, we're already getting close to the finished product. So we'll continue with those totals in the next video.